Welcome friends. In this video you have been given question answer of unit 3.7 at the science fair. Question number 1. Answer the following questions. A. What two basic rules were followed in the science fair? Answer. The two basic rules to be followed in the science fair were: A. Everything should be handled by the students. B. The entertainment booth and refreshment stall had to have a scientific base. B. How early did the preparations for the science fair begin? Answer. The preparations for the science fair began a couple of months in advance. C. How was the committee formed? Answer. A committee of parents and teachers was set up to look after all the work of the fair. Some students' representatives were also taken on the committee to give them a first-hand experience of managing big programs. D. What themes did the committee identify? Answer. The themes identified by the committee were plant, animals, properties of substance, energy, science in our everyday life, latest news from the world of science, and food and nutrition. E. How did the students prepare for their stalls presentation? Answer. Stalls were allotted to many groups of children. Each group selected a topic idea from the chosen themes. The young scientists began collecting a lot of information about their topic using their science textbook, their school library, and the internet. They shared and discussed this information in their groups and decided the exact activity for their stall, deciding whether they would build and display a model, give a demonstration, present their project through posters, or simply exhibit a collection. F. What did Mr. Gizare appreciate the most? Answer. Mr. Gizare appreciated the fact that in most of the stalls, visitors could try out the various science experiments and models. G. What did the Clean Brigade do? Answer. The Clean Brigade members made rounds of the fair spreading the message of cleanliness, and they had vowed to keep the school premises spick and span during the fair. Question number 2. Make charts to show the important points to remember while making a graphic presentation. B. An oral presentation. Page number 2. Continue answer of an oral presentation. Question number 3. What themes would you like to add to the themes given in this passage? Answer. Why does honey crystallize? B. How to make a lemon battery. 3. Build your own telescope. Question number 4. Imagine you are visiting the science fair. What other stalls are you likely to find there? Answer. A. Use of empty aeratex bottles as life belts to save from drowning. B. Manual rotating a wheel to generate electricity energy. C. Replantation of a tree instead of cutting it down. Question number 5. Using your imagination and information from other sources, describe any one stall in detail. Answer is given. For more videos of question answer, check the video description. If you like this video, please like the video, share this video, and subscribe our YouTube channel Study Everything. Thank you for watching.